At the heart of mining efficiency is reducing operational costs and enhancing performance. Artificial intelligence shines brightly here, particularly in slashing fuel consumption. By intelligently analyzing driving patterns and optimizing routes, AI systems can decrease fuel usage significantly. This not only cuts costs, but also reduces the environmental footprint of mining operations. Moving beyond fuel, AI's role in increasing overall efficiency is nothing short of transformative. Through real-time data analysis, AI optimizes haul cycles, ensuring trucks are moving the maximum amount of material in the minimum amount of time. This capability means fewer trucks are needed for the same amount of work, a direct boost to operational efficiency, and a reduction in wear and tear on equipment. On the safety front, AI enhances haul truck operations by predicting maintenance needs and preventing equipment failure. Moreover, AI-driven systems improve hazard recognition, keeping the routes and operations safe and uninterrupted. AI's impact on mine haul trucks demonstrates a leap towards smarter, more sustainable mining operations. What does the future hold for AI in the mining industry? As we gaze into the horizon, the potential for AI to transform mining operations becomes increasingly evident. Imagine a world where AI not only optimizes haul truck routes and schedules, but also predicts equipment failures before they occur, minimizing downtime and extending the lifespan of mining machinery. The continuous improvement and learning capabilities of AI systems are key to unlocking even greater efficiencies. These systems are not static, they evolve. By analyzing vast amounts of data over time, AI can learn to identify patterns and anomalies that would be imperceptible to the human eye. This means that the longer AI is implemented, the smarter it becomes, continually enhancing its decision-making processes. However, this technological march forward brings with it significant ethical considerations and the need for workforce adaptation. It's crucial to approach AI integration with a focus on enhancing worker safety and job quality, ensuring that technological advancements benefit all stakeholders. As AI continues to evolve, its integration with mining operations promises revolutionary changes, ensuring a safer and more efficient future.